Isn't he? Isn't he the best? With this sauce, you can make your jollof rice in no time. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. And to my returning subscribers, I truly appreciate you for always tuning in. Today, we want to make a basic stew for a typical Nigerian jollof rice. And we're making this in a large quantity, okay? So the three most important thing I have here, like I always say, if you watched my video before, there's three things here you see here: the bell pepper, the tomatoes, and the onion. So for me, in winter, I live in Austria. In winter, the best thing I could do for myself is going for canned tomatoes, and I have a brand which I love to go for. It's not too sour, it's just perfect. Okay, so the worst thing I would do is to go for fresh tomatoes in winter over here. So I have my tomato here. I have two of them, which is the most important thing. The first thing I will do is just to go ahead and I'll cook my tomato first. Now, I want you to just take your time, lovelies. Check out all the canned tomatoes in your place. I have mine. This brand is the best. Peeled whole canned tomatoes. Okay, it's not diced one. I'll go ahead, use my hand mixer to mix it and then start cooking it first. The best thing is just canned in winter. Okay, I don't know how your fresh tomato looks like at your side, but my side, it is not fresh in at all. It does not taste like tomato. Okay, so that's why I love this one. You just check out for something that is not too sour and something that you have tried different type, and I'm just satisfied with this one. Here I have 6.4 kilo tomatoes, canned tomatoes. I have 2.5 kilo of pointed red bell pepper. It was 5 pack. With each pack was half a kilo. I have 2 kilo of red onion. I have garlic cloves. I have a Scotch bonnet pepper. You will go for Scotch bonnet pepper as much as you can take. And I have ginger. Okay. Let's put it here. So for my garlic, this is all I will go for garlic. For all I'll go for garlic, because I know there are some people. There's so much garlic. Okay, for my ginger, I think this will be enough. This is going to be enough. Okay, we're making this meal for African people, for Africans, Nigerian to be precise. So they can chop you raw. Some of them, not everybody. Some can chop you raw for adding too much garlic. And after when you are done, you see them screaming, "Oh, this was so delicious! This was so this!" And then without knowing the secret ingredients of your meal, okay. Now, when it comes to parboiling my tomatoes, guys, this is what I love to do. Okay, I love to parboil my tomatoes first, and then the bell pepper, the garlic, the ginger, and the onion. Those ones will come later. That's when my tomato is almost good to go, when it's almost dried off liquid. Okay, then I would introduce my pepper mixture to the tomato, because this way my bell peppers will still fresh. I love those tastes, so I wouldn't want to overcook those tastes of bell pepper, onion, and every other thing. The tomato paste is just to get off the sourness and the excess liquid. And after adding it, this is what it looks like at this point. After cooking, this is what I have. It looks super good. Now my tomato is ready to be used. Now let's start making our stew. Okay, we've done the tomato prepped and everything. We've parboiled it. Everything is ready. I'll go in with my pot. This is the giant pot I will be going for. Okay, guys. This way it won't splash that much. Okay, the high pot will protect the splashing of a thing. You know what I mean? Now, after introducing my oil, I will let that heat up. Now, this is the few ingredients we need, or spices and ingredients we need for this tomato stew base. I have my tomato paste, I have onion, I have my parboiled pepper and tomato. I have bay leaf, curry, and thyme. Now, after which my oil has been heated up, I will introduce some amount of bay leaf. I will go in with some thyme and some curry powder. Like guys, having this few spices first, it's amazing. It will boost the taste of the spices. This is not what you want to use to season your stew. This is just to give your tomato stew base a little bit of flavor, okay? So stir that the moment you introduce those things. I mean, stir it. Whatever that will distract you leaving the space, please just skip it because your curry should not get burnt. Now, after stirring that for some minutes, for about 2 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes, you want to introduce your onion. So I had to cut this place off because it was smoking too much. You couldn't see inside the pot. I generously fried my onion. Take your time and fry your onion until fragrance. Then again, you want to bring in your tomato paste. Again, I will say, once your tomato paste comes in, don't go nowhere. Please stay there because this has happened to me before. I was in a ace. I needed to make some jollof rice. So I wasn't doing it in my kitchen. So I was doing it in my cellar, okay, because it was also winter. So I needed to take something upstairs. Coming back, my tomato get a little bit burnt. And I said, I'll find my way. I just continued doing it. At the end of the day, my stew was a little bitter. So you want to skip that. Please don't go anywhere. Your tomato paste must not get burnt. Continue stirring until you have this perfect scrambled tomato paste, okay? I bet you if you take your time to make your tomato paste, you will love the outcome. You want to have similar taste from the tomato paste to the parboiled tomatoes, okay? So that they will all rhyme together. Guys, making your this tomato stew base, it's not something you just want to hasten up or fast. Let me show you the cover of my pot. A long way. This determine every other meal you want to cook. So you want to put all your best making this tomato stew base, okay? But before then, let me show you something, guys. Okay, just stay tuned because this pot you're seeing here have no cover. There is no lid to this pot here. But first, after adding your parboiled tomato, go in and stir everything generously to incorporate with the tomato paste. Before then, let me show you what hubby carved for me. Look at it. He carved this. This is made of wood because there was no cover here. Okay, like I said, and this is it. Voila. That's, oh, huh? Isn't he? Isn't he the best? If it starts best, honey, sure. This shall reach the coolers. This shall reach the cooler. Joke apart, joke apart. So let's cover this and let it cool. Gently. Now you want to continuously go in and stir to prevent this from getting burnt. Like guys, I will tell you that this is one of the best tomato stew base you will ever make. We only season with the thyme and the curry and bay leaf to give you that flavor. With this flavor, you can make any sauce of your choice, any meal of your choice. I love this stew. It tasted fantastic. One thing you should take note of is the difference between the tomato, the bell pepper, and the onion. So you need to balance that to achieve the best tomato stew base that you ever wish to. Okay, just tomatoes will not give you the perfect stew that you want to have. Okay, make sure these three things are in a good terms to achieve what you want. With this sauce, you can make your jollof rice in no time without stressing yourself to get ready or get all your tomato sauce ready, get anything ready. So I didn't season that much. So I didn't season at all I did was just that curry and the bay leaf and thyme. Okay, so now you can just each time you can use this for egg sauce, you can have it for jollof rice, you can even can have some sauce for yam. It's just a perfect all purpose sauce, all-purpose stew, or all-purpose tomato stew base, or jollof rice sauce base, jollof rice stew base, anyone you call it. Okay, guys, I hope you like this recipe and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to give your thumbs up. If this is your first time on my channel and you've watched up to this time, you are the best. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it and I hope you like the recipe too. Please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more recipe, for more future content. I'm sure you will love it here. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell just to be notified anytime I post a new video. To my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you so much for watching till this time. Please do not forget to hit the like button. Okay, don't go without liking. Leave your opinion in the comment section and see you all in my next one. Okay, the next one is just coming in with the jollof rice, the smoky patty jollof rice. Don't